Hello friends, welcome to TechEasy YouTube channel. Friends, in today's video we are going to see how we can easily migrate any WordPress website to AWS Cloud, to Azure Cloud, or any hosted platform to Azure, Microsoft Azure Cloud. Okay, so let's start. So first of all we have to log in into our WordPress dashboard. So I have to migrate my website known as anglephysio.in. So here login into your WordPress dashboard as an admin. So here I am already logged in. Here we have to install a plugin known as AllinOne WP migration. So you can simply search it here. Okay, All-in-one WP migration. Okay, just search it and install it. Here is I already logged in. I installed it and activated it. So you can simply install it. So I am installing and updating it. So now it is updating in my case, and in your case it is installed. Now you have to activate it. Okay, so for activating you have to simply go into your install plugin section, and here you get activate option. So like here where this is here, all-in WP migration. In my case it is activated, so it's showing me to deactivate, but you can simply activate it from clicking here. So after activating, you have a option in right corner, all-in-one WP migration. So you can simply click on export here. Now you have to export to, you have many options to export it, like Amazon S3. You can export it to file, FTP, Dropbox, Amazon S3, Megalink, Google Cloud, Amazon Glacier, S3 client, and many more. So I want to export it as a file, so I click on file, and now it is preparing to export. So after this process completed, you have option to export it. So I am stopping because I already downloaded it. Okay, so I stopped it. So now after downloading this, here I already downloaded, so I cancelled it. So you can simply go into your Azure portal. Like I want to migrate it from my AWS to Azure Cloud. You can follow the same procedure for any migration. Okay, so let's log in into Microsoft Azure portal. Click on sign in. So here I clicked on sign in, and now here I am into my account. So here we have to search for marketplace. So here this is marketplace, and now we can simply, it's taking some time. So here in marketplace we can search for WordPress by Bitnami. WordPress by Bitnami. Sorry, Bitnami. Okay, it's showing because I mistyped it. Sorry for that. WordPress by Bitnami. So this is here, WordPress packaged by Bitnami. Now we can simply create it. Now create a virtual machine. I selected my Azure for Student subscription, and you can now create a new resource group, or you can simply select if you already created. So here I am already created, so I am selecting my resource group 1, and here you can give a name. So here I am giving angle physio. So here this is angle physio, and this is my Asia Pacific West India region. So I think in my case, no infrastructure redundancy is required. If you want, then you can simply choose virtual machine skill set, okay, or availability set. And here here no, this is not available. So here I have to change my region. So here I am changing to Asia Pacific South India. So now here one virtual CPU, 1 GB of memory is available here. So here my username is Azure user, and we can generate a new SSH key pair, and click on generate new key pair. Key pair name is angle physio key. So here this is all done. Click on next. Now we have to configure this. So here I did not want to configure anyone, so click on next, and here my resource group 1 vnet is created, selected, and click on all default. Click on next, and click on review and create directly. Okay, so here basically it's validating my all the configuration settings. Okay, so here it's also estimating. Okay, 1 rupee per hour is my server cost. So I think this is not premium, so we have to click on create. Now it's saying for download private key pair and create resource. So I downloaded my key pair. So here my angle physio key.pm is downloaded. So here it can take a deployment. Here we can see notification deployment in progress. It can take time 2 to 3 minutes, or depending on your region and latency in your area. So let's see, this is creating all the resources which are required to host our website. So let's let some. So here it's saying deployment is successful. So we can now go to the resource. Now here we have to copy this public IP address. Okay, so here copy this public IP address and paste here. Let's see our web server is running or not. No, it's now provisioning. So let's wait some few more moments. Now here we have to, let's try one more time. So it is provisioning now. Now my website is up and running because my web server is now provisioned. So this is here, and now we can here type WP admin to access our admin dashboard. But here it's require ID and password. So how we can easily get this ID and password? So let's go to here, click on here, and we have to basically access our serial logs. Go into your home. Basically this is home. For accessing serial log, we have to go to boot diagnostic. So here we can simply search boot diagnostics. So here now we can simply access serial logs. Now in serial logs we have to search for user. So this is a very huge serial log. So here we Control F command, here user. So here we like user, or we can also search for password. So here I am searching for password because less match are found for password. So here no password, I think this is here. Okay, so here is our username and password. So password is here. Use Control C command, and I think username is user, default username is user, and password is this. So you can simply copy it. So close here and go to here. Let's try to log in into our WordPress website. So here click on login. That's here. We are here. Now we have to reinstall our plugin into our new WordPress server. So search for here for all-in-one click on add new. So here we can simply search all-in-one WP migration for same plugin. So here we have to activate it. It's already comes installed with it. So let's see what we want. Here we want to import. So here we can click on import from. So here we have same option for importing also. Click on file. Now here we have to search for our downloaded file. So yes, this is here. Now we have to simply select it. Now it's started importing. Sometimes it's give error, then you can simply resolve it by searching on Google, or you can simply if your file size is greater than upload size in free tier, then you can simply download an extension by searching here for all-in-one WP migration unlimited extension. So here you can simply search for all-in-one. I can give link in my description box. Okay, all-in-one WP migration free unlimited extension. Okay, so here you can go on to any of the website and you can simply download it here. Like you can simply download it here from for free, and there are also many more methods are available to enhance the import size. If your website has 100 MB of backup file, then that's it. It is simply, we don't need to do this. But here we can simply see the import process will overwrite your that including the database media. Yes, you have to simply click on proceed. So in my case it did not give any error, but as per my experience, in most of the case it gave error. Okay, so here now click on reload, click on update WordPress data, click on continue. Now we have to log in with our old username and password. So here I am entering my old username Angle Physio and my old password. So click on login. Yes, this is giving some error, sorry for that. The password you entered for the username is incorrect. Okay, let's try one more time. Now my website is successfully migrated. So this is my public IP address. So here we can simply see here this is my website. Okay, but my website is still running on this domain. Basically when I type this anglephysio.in, now we have to basically update our name server's records. So this is my website which is hosted on my AWS EC2. So let's log in my AWS account. So I can simply stop that. Okay, so click on sign into the console, and basically we have to delete our hosted zone which I created. So here search for Route 53. Now this is my Route 53. Here you can simply see that my hosted zone is running here. So this is anglephysio.in. So now I don't need it, so I have to delete it, and also I have to stop my virtual machine. Okay, so here you can simply click on delete, but it not deleted here. So I just for demo purpose you have to go on to your Azure DNS. So search here for DNS. Now here this is DNS zones, and I have to create one more DNS zone. This is for my another website techij.in. So here we have to create one more. So click on create. So here we have to select my resource group. So in my case this is my resource group 1, and we have to give name. So name is same anglephysio.in. So ANGLE physio. So here this is ANGLE PHYSIO. Make sure your name is correct. So here anglephysio.in, click on review and create. So click on create. And now our deployment is in progress. Now we have to go into our resources. So here we have to add one more record. So click on record set and give simple, it is a record, and we have to paste our server address. So this is our server address. So and 1 hours, okay, that's good. Click on OK. So we have created a record, and now we have to create one more record set, that is cname. So www, and choose here a cname, link your subdomain, not cname, okay. So 1 hour, and here we have to give our website address. So not TKJ, this is Angle Physio. So make sure you enter the right name. So anglephysio.in, make sure your name is correct. Okay, so ANGLEPHYSAU physio.in. okay, click on OK. Now that's set all from here. Now we have to go into your domain name provider. So in my case this is GoDaddy. You can simply log in into your domain registrar. Okay, so here search for GoDaddy, sign in. Now click on sign in GoDaddy. Go into my product section. And simply click on your website. So this is the domain which I want to here migrate. So click on manage DNS, and now click on change. So you can simply see here, this is the AWS name servers. So click on change. Now click on enter my own name servers. So here, so you can enter where. So all these name servers records. So copy it and paste it here, and also copy the second name server record. And also copy the third one, and similarly also copy the fourth one. Now you can simply have to click on save. Now after clicking on it, it can take 12 to 24 hours time to update your all these DNS records. So that's it for this video. So in this way you can simply migrate your WordPress website to Azure cloud, or you can follow this similar process to migrating from any hosting provider to any other hosting provider if you are using the WordPress website. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you like this video.